Hello, Dr. Knight here. We're talking about fasting and cleansing the body, internal cleansing of the body through fasting. The fasting is a terrible word, right? No, it's not. It's a fantastic word, and it produces fantastic results when we utilize it. So we have to harness this process, fasting. It's a natural process done while you sleep. I'm sure you heard me talk about it, but we want to be able to extract the benefits and heighten the benefits of the fasting so that we can fight today's ills and increase all the different um, processes and preservatives and garbage that we eat